folks, how are we doing? We're going baling today. No, we're not going baling today. We are doing baler maintenance today, and well, I've been for the past couple of days. Yeah, today we're going to get it out and warm it up so we can drain the gearboxes. There's 5 or 6 gearboxes on it to be drained, so and the oil changed. So to do that, we'll fire it up and warm the oils up a bit. So we'll get her out and put them on there. Yeah, we'll get her out, open up the covers and fire it up, and it'll be a good opportunity just to for you to have a look at it, have a look at her whilst she's running with nothing in her. I've actually got I'll selfie stick with me today, so I can poke you in the baler, keep myself away from it and poke you in and hopefully see a few different interesting things. Right, let's draw it out. Oh, I'll just leave her there a minute. We'll go and open all the guards up now, so we ain't got to do it when it's running. You can see I've got the guards off the pickup. There's a plastic shroud on against the Macau that goes over that. Now I've had all the shafts apart, greased all them up, and had a right old well, I've done all the shafts so far, done a bit of repair work to the tailgate. They got a bit bent. Yeah, we do need to just actually fire the there you go, there's the flywheel, the main slip clutch. It's the main gearbox there. Yeah, I do need to just give it some hydraulics and drop the ramp down while we've got it running. Oh, we need to go up top and all. Where's my ladder? There it is. Put my ladder back on. So, an old bird's been busy. Look at it, poor old girl. She needs a good clean before she goes out. That's the resident Pidgeys, that is. You're not a fan. Right. Right. Right, turn the monitor on. Beep. Right, give it some hydraulics. We're on ramp, so in theory, yeah, lovely job. All right. Oh, knock the hydraulics off. We're in 5.4, we'll put it in 1,000. And of course it does run in 1,000, but we don't want to run it too fast because, well, you'll see why we don't want to run it too fast. Them cows. They're stood in the river having a drink. Right, let's fire her up. Right, let's go and have a look. Oh, that was close. You probably just managed to glimpse it on the screen. We've got to disable the auto PTO off function. All the modern tractors now, to comply with European legislation, have to have an auto cut off when you leave the seat. So as soon as you leave the seat, it sort of gives you 3 seconds, and then it'll cut the PTO off. So, but you can obviously override it like that, because obviously, like I say, there's certain situations where you need to get off of the PTO running, like when we're pumping slurry, for example. So that will now allow me to get off without cutting the PTO. Right, we'll transfer you now to the selfie stick. Right, so now we're on the selfie stick. Get a good view of the old intake there. That's the drive for the pickup tines down there. Then you've got the feed roller there. You've got like a cam clutch there, which can cut the drive. And obviously that's where the main drive comes into. You've got the main drive gearbox under there. That comes through, then you got, that takes power down. That's the intake system. Like I've explained on the previous vid. You see it does a short. We're set to do one load of straw, 1 wad of straw for every ram stoke. So this is running at twice the speed of the ram, of the main ram up there. So it needs to do a short cycle before it puts one up there. So short cycle, then it puts a wad of straw up. Short cycle, puts a wad of straw up. Then it times that wad of straw up. I'll come back a little bit to coincide with the ram when it comes right back, so it can, it can then take it in. And you can see it's got its own hydraulic reservoir up there. That's for the chamber at the back. That's the knotter drive up there. Around the back, let's have a look in the back there. That's the ram coming backwards and forwards. You've got a set of knives on the bottom of the ram there, so that it cuts the straw as it comes up, so you get a clean cut. Otherwise it'd just jam in there. So you've got a set of knives on each vertical section of the ram there, and you've got an opposing cutting surface on the chamber at the bottom. You can see the strings in there. This is where it squeezes the chamber. You can see you've got a ram up there, and you've got a ram, one there, and that enables, if I can do it, see they squeeze in. They're sprung back, but when the ram goes in, obviously they'll go in and squeeze the bale. Come around this side, there's not so much going on. And you can see the ram going. That back roller bearing now on the ram, just wants to take a look at. Taking grease, you can see the grease around it, but it's not rolling very well. It could be that it's floating in there. They do sometimes float. Another angle of the intake. drive arms that drive the ram. So we'll just jump up now and have a look at the knotters. It's all gear driven up here. That there is they're the fans that are the not fans that blow the debris off. They go down into them chutes, and then it blows out like my hand now. I can feel the air coming out. There's your 6 knotters. Another, you possibly can't quite see it, there's another drive shaft there, comes into that central gearbox, that splits the drive. Yeah, there's another view of the main gearbox, the arms coming off, you've got the flywheel there. There's the main ram is attached to it, and the drive shaft for the gearbox. Right, so there we go. That's about it really. Oh, you got the needles are under there. So this is the you can see there's the end of the needles up there. These things here are the these put a bit of tension on it, and they also, when they touch that plate there, it sends a signal to the controller in the cab that you've dropped a string, because obviously the tension's dropped. It's allowed it to make a circuit. So that's about it really. There you go. We'll leave that running for another 10 minutes, make sure everything's warm, and I can drop all the oils out, put the oils in, and whilst I'm going around, check the bearings, check everything's tight. We're about there really, ready for baling. So there we go. Right, I hope you enjoyed that quick vid, and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!